and I am Arizona. Thank you for joining us for today's Ultimate Sister Adventures morning announcement. And today is Thursday, April 23rd, 2020.
Please take a moment to stand for the Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Go ahead and take your seat now. Today in history, April 23rd, 1908.
U.S. President Theodore Roosevelt signed an act creating the U.S. Army Reserve.
This brings us to our Today in History quiz question. What is the U.S. Army Reserve?
You can take a few minutes to think about the answer. We'll tell you the answer
And an announcement
to see if you were correct.
This week we're learning about ecosystems in gardens.
Primarily, production in ecosystems is the production of organic matter from inorganic carbon sources. Which brings us to today's
Fun fact! Photosynthesis, carried out by all the plants in an ecosystem, is called the gross primary production, GPP.
Now it's time for the word of the day.
Photosynthesis.
Plants capture energy from light to combine carbon dioxide and water in order to produce carbohydrates and oxygen.
Try to use this word today in your lessons and in the conversations. See how many conjunctions you can use this word. Okay, stop it. Are you ready for the history quiz answer? Yes? Me too. The answer is
The U.S. Army Reserve is a reserve force that mainly perform part-time duties when on active duty. When not on active duty, RC soldiers typically perform training and service one weekend per month, currently referred to as battle assembly, and for 2 continuous weeks at a time during the year referred to as annual training, AT.
Was that your answer? Yes? Awesome! Some of you said no. That's okay. You can always read more about many books or you can learn online. With your parents' permission, of course.
Ready for the tip of the day? Alright.
When feeling stressed, find a way to let out your frustration in a healthy way. Dance to your favorite songs. Go outside and exercise. Sing aloud your favorite happy songs. Meditate and have calming music like whale music or classical music in the background.
Talk to someone you can trust who will listen to you and help speak your thoughts so you can get the feeling out in a positive way and to think of a positive solution.
You want to do things that boost your endorphins, hormones, which help create happy feelings. When you are calm, relaxed, and feeling better, you are able to make better decisions to improve your outcome of your situations.
And always take time to breathe. And remember, You're beautiful and amazing.
That concludes our morning announcements for today. We hope to see you tomorrow. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to join us on another Ultimate Sister Adventure Show. Bye!